Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So a few months ago I bought myself this 18 volt Einhell Cordless Brushless impact driver. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this tool. So here we have an Einhell Professional Compact 18 volt impact driver. It has 250 Newton meters high power torque, so that is very high for a small compact impact driver. 250 Nm. I think that's the highest I've ever had in an impact driver, and I'd say this is probably the most compact impact driver I've ever had also, so I'm quite excited to see what this can do. It has the standard 1/4 inch chuck and it has 3 speed settings, so you can have it on a low speed, which is less powerful I think for more fine work, and then on the high speed if you've got long screws to drive in to speed things up. And it works on the power exchange battery system that Einhell does. It says that it is brushless, and because of that it's got 25% more power. I'm thinking that's as opposed to a brushed model, and 50% more endurance, 100% lifetime and a 10-year warranty. So let's open up the box and take a look what's inside. So the impact driver just comes with the manuals and a belt clip. So the belt clip can be attached to either side of the impact driver. There's 2 little notches where you can seat it into position, and the thread is metal, which is nice. So let's get that on. There's the belt clip, added a nice black belt clip, fits nice and tight to the body. So here's a closer look at it. As you can see, it's very small and compact. We'll measure it and weigh it in a moment, but really nice looking. It's got this lovely textured grip on here, a nice chunky handle. You've got the standard trigger switch, the lock, forward and reverse here. There's the belt clip. There's a light here, and it's rubberized at the top and at the back. It says pure power brushless at the back, and then there's the button on the top for the 3 speed settings. And here's the keyless chuck. I'm going to measure this top part here to see how compact it is, and it measures around 11.5 centimeters. So that is very short and compact. You can really get a feel for how compact this is compared to my hand. Really tiny. So now let's weigh the impact driver with the belt clip on, no battery. And it's coming up as 981 grams, so it is under a kilo. First impressions are really good with this impact driver. I like the keyless chuck here. It seems to have quite a lot of metal to grab onto. Previous impact drivers that I've had have been quite slim here. Can be difficult to grab onto this in the cold, but as you can see this one's got plenty of room for your fingers to go to put the chuck in. Nice and easy, so that's good. I like this sort of grey textured finish on the front part here. Really nicely designed all round. The 3 speed modes on the top here, nice and easy to change. Little green light tells you which speed you're in. The light comes on at the same time. So let's just quickly check the built-in light. As you can see, that offers plenty of light in the area that you're working in, and that stays on long enough for you to see what you're doing. So there's 3 different speed modes on here. We'll start off with speed 1, and I'll compress the trigger fully. Now speed 2 and speed 3. You can clearly hear the difference in speed there. Starting off on number 1, let's just see how many settings the trigger has. Sounds like about 9 or 10 there, so plenty of control. Go really slow with the trigger as to not split wood, and you can do that with all the speed settings. As you can see, number 3. So you can control all of the speed settings, so no need to worry that if you've left it on the top speed setting that you're going to split the wood, as long as you're careful with the trigger. The end speed on the high setting will be faster, as you can hear, but going up to that you can still use the slower speeds. But if you're working on something delicate, just put it on number 1, and then you're less likely to have any trouble because the impact driver doesn't go really fast on this speed. So just to show how compact this model is, I just thought I'd show the older model that I've got here that I've been using for a while now, and I like it, but just look at the difference in the size of the tops here. If you line them up at the back, there is a huge difference in this one compared to the new one. Okay, so that's about it for this video then. So final thoughts on this impact driver. Bearing in mind I've only owned it for a few months, so I haven't had it long. I've used it for a few projects and it's been great. Overall I think it's very good. I love the small compact design. I love the 3 speed modes where you can use number 1 for very fine work so that you don't split the wood. Just use it like a bit of a cordless screwdriver, and then number 3 to just really speed up the process and get all the power going into the impact of the driving of the screw. The part of the front here, it's got plenty to grip onto, so even if your hands are cold you can change the bit quite easily. lots of rubber around it for protection, and it's extremely compact and small at the top, and it just feels very well balanced in the hand. Very small, compact, great on the shoulder if you're in tight spots all day long doing different projects. You might get a fatigued shoulder, and also the grip is nice as well, and it just seems like it's very well built and it will last quite a long time. So if you do want to check this tool out, I'll leave my Amazon associate link down in the description box, and if you buy through that link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra cost to yourself, and it just helps out the channel. If you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.